Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about NET syllabus of chemistry. So CSIR UGC National Eligibility Test for Junior Research Fellowships and Lectureship. The subject is Chemical Science. So you have inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, physical chemistry. In organic chemistry, you have to study chemical periodicity, structure and bonding in homo and heteronuclear molecules, including shape of molecules, valence shell, electron pair, repulsion theory, concept of acids and bases, hard soft acid base concept, non-aqueous solvent, main group elements and their compounds, allotropy, synthesis, structure and bonding, industrial importance of the compounds, transition elements and coordination compounds, structure, bonding theories, spectral and magnetic properties, reaction mechanism, inner transition elements, spectral and magnetic properties, redox chemistry and analytical application, organometallic compounds, synthesis, bonding and structure and reactivity, organometallics in homologous catalyst, cages and metal cluster. Then you have analytical chemistry, separation, spectroscopic, electro and thermoanalytical methods, bio inorganic chemistry, photosynthesis system, porphyrins, metalloenzymes, oxygen transport, electron transfer reactions, nitrogen fixations, metal complexes in medicine, characterization of inorganic compounds by IR, Raman, NMR, EPR, Moss-Baer, UV visible, NQR, MS, electron spectroscopy, and microscopic techniques. You have nuclear chemistry, nuclear reactions, fissions and fusion, radioanalytical techniques, and activation analysis. In physical chemistry, you have basic principle of quantum mechanics, postulates, operator, algebra, exactly solvable systems, particle in a box, harmonic oscillator, and hydrogen atom, including shapes of atomic orbital and spin angular momenta, and tunneling, and that is very important. Approximate method of quantum mechanics, variational principle, perturbation theory up to second order in energy applications, atomic structure and spectroscopy, term symbol, many electron systems, and antisymmetric principle, chemical bonding in diatomic, elementary concept of molecular orbital and valence bond theories, Haeckel's theory for conjugation pi electron system, chemical application of group theory, symmetry elements, point groups, character table, selection rules. You have the molecular spectroscopy, rotational and vibrational spectra of diatomic molecules, electronic spectra, IR and Raman activities, selection rules, basic principles of magnetic resonance. You have the chemical thermodynamics, laws, state and path function and their application, thermodynamic description of various type of process, Maxwell relationship, spontaneity and equilibria, temperature and pressure, dependence of thermodynamics quantity, Le Chatelier principle, elementary descriptions of phase transitions, phase equilibria and phase rule, thermodynamics of ideal and non-ideal gases and solution, statistical thermodynamics, Boltzmann distribution, kinetic theory of gases, partition functions and their relation to the thermodynamics quantity, calculations for model systems. You have the electrochemistry, Nernst equation, redox systems, electrochemical cell, Debye-Haeckel theory, electrolytic conductance, Coulomb law and its applications, ionic equilibria, conductometric and potentiometric titrations. You have chemical kinetics, empirical rate law and temperature dependence, complex reaction, steady state approximation, determination of reaction mechanism, collision and transition state theories of rate constants, unimolecular reactions, enzyme kinetics, salt effects, homogeneous catalysis, photochemical reactions. Colloids and surfaces, stability and properties of colloids, isotherms and surface area, heterogeneous catalysis. Solid state, crystal structure, Bragg's law and applications, band structure of solid. Polymer chemistry, molar masses, kinetics of polymerization. Data analysis, mean and standard deviation, absolute and relative errors, linear regressions, covariance and correlation coefficients. In organic chemistry, IUPAC nomenclature of organic molecules including regio and stereoisomers, principles of stereochemistry, configuration and conformational isomerism in acyclic and cyclic compound, stereogenicity, stereoselectivity, enantioselectivity, diastereoselectivity, and asymmetric inductions. Aromaticity, benzenoids and non-benzenoid compound, generation and reaction. You have organic reaction intermediate, generation, stability and reactivity of carbocation, carbanion, free radicals, carbene, benzene and nitrene. Organic reactions mechanism involve additions, elimination and substitution, reaction with electrophilic, nucleophilic or radical species, determination of reaction path. Common name reactions and rearrangement application in organic synthesis. Organic transformation and reagents, functional group interconversion including oxidation and reduction, common catalyst and reagents, organic, inorganic, organometallic and enzymatic, chemo, regio and stereoselective transformations. Concept in organic synthesis, retrosynthesis, disconnection, synthons, linear and convergent synthesis, unplugging of reactivity and protecting groups. Asymmetric synthesis, chiral auxiliarity, methods of asymmetric inductions, substrate, reagents, and catalyst controlled reaction, determination of enantiomeric and diastereomeric excess, enantio discriminations, resolution, optical and kinetics. Pericyclic reaction, electrocyclization, cycloaddition, sigmatropic rearrangement, and other related concerted reaction. Principles and applications of photochemical reactions in organic chemistry. Synthesis and reactivity of common heterocyclic compounds containing one or two heteroatom, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur. Chemistry of natural products, carbohydrates, proteins, peptide, fatty acid, nucleic acid, terpenes, steroids, and alkaloids, biogenesis of terpenoids and alkaloids. Now you have the structural determination of organic compounds by IR, UV visible, proton NMR, carbon-13 NMR, and mass spectroscopic technique. So interdisciplinary topic, you have the chemistry in nanoscience and technology, catalysis in green chemistry, medicinal chemistry, supramolecular chemistry, and environmental chemistry. So my friends, I hope this video will be beneficial for you, and if you like such type of video, then subscribe my channel, because now I am going to upload some organic topics of for NET examinations. So just connect with me so that you will be benefited with my video. So thanks for watching.